Hello everyone, today we are going to be making beans and plantain porridge. It's very delicious and very easy to make, so keep watching to see how I made this. Please don't forget to like and share. So firstly, in a pot we're going to go in with our beans, and for this recipe I'm using honey beans, which is also called brown beans. So I'm going to boil it for a few minutes and then I'm going to sieve out the water and wash just to remove some of the dirt or dust from it. So after washing, I'm going to go back in and boil it again. So you boil another water. After boiling, you throw in your beans. So I went in with the beans, I went in with my stockfish, which is my dry fish, and I also went in with some onions to start. So for my base, I'm going to be using onions, Scotch bonnet pepper, Tatashe, that's the long pepper, and the other yellow and red pepper. I'm going to grind that roughly and keep it aside. So after my beans have boiled for a bit, I went in with my plantain. You're going to give this a good mix, and then you're going to add some salt. Give it another mix and then you cover and let it cook until it's perfectly done. So after 10 minutes I went back to check on it. It has done. It's as soft as I want it to be, so I'm going to bring that down and get ready for our base. So in a pan we're going to heat some palm oil. Let it heat up and then you go in with your grinded pepper mix. Fry that for around 5 to 8 minutes. You go in with your crayfish and some seasoning cube. I'm not going to put some salt in this mixture because I've already put salt in the beans while it was cooking. So I'm just putting crayfish and stock cube in the base. So after I fried it for another 5 minutes, I went in and put it in the beans. So you put in the beans to give it a good mix. Mix it completely until it's thoroughly combined. After turning, I covered to cook. I cooked that for another 5 minutes. Gave it another turn. And then I brought it down. The beans is ready. So I'm going to be frying some plantain to go with it. In a pan, you're going to heat up some groundnut oil. And then you're just going to fry your plantains. You fry until it's browned, and then you put it in a paper towel just so you can reduce the excess oils from it. That's it. After frying, you now serve your food. That's our beans and plantain porridge. Very delicious, very yummy, so easy to make. You can make this for a quick lunch or even a quick dinner. That's it, guys. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe. Thank you.